Guys, I'm Jeff and you're watching Jeff's Custom RC, and guess what we've got coming to you today, guys? It's the Eflite F16 binding fly from Horizon Hobby, guys. 70mm, and she is a awesome jet. I think a lot of you guys have this jet and we've all come to love it. Let's take a look at what's included, guys. We've got the binding fly here. And what's included is a motor, which is a 70mm in runner. We've got a 70 amp brushless ESC, 6 digital metal geared servos, guys. Our receiver, which is the AR636 with AS3X and Safe Select technology. That's sweet. All right, do not have a transmitter. Of course, all you guys know that. Do not have batteries. Do not have a charger. Other than that, guys, she's ready to roll. Bind her up and we're ready to fly. So let's take a look, guys, at what's in our box here. And of course, coming from Horizon, guys, let me just say, this thing, I ordered it Friday afternoon and it came today. I mean, so, you know, considering even the weekend, I mean, to get here on Monday and I just ordered it Friday, that's pretty awesome, Horizon. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. All right, so let's see what we got here in the box, guys. Get in here, and first thing we notice is we have our wings. And these are looking great right out of the box, guys. I'm not even having to, you know, haven't even taken them out yet. You just saw me cut the tape. Everything is beautifully packaged. Looking down in here, nose cone. We have this here. We also had our instruction manual, guys, which is really nice. I couldn't ask for things to look better in here, guys. So let's take a wing out here and see how it looks. Oh yeah, finish on this thing is nice. This is for our ordnance to go on here. This is the other side of the wing. Looks really nice. We've got foam hinges here, which is fine. It's all good. Guys, I have actually flown a friend of mine's F16, and it's an amazing flying jet. That's one reason I went ahead and stepped up with this sale that Horizon is having, and got it with the discount. But everything here, guys, the finish on this is really, really nice, as you can see. All of your linkages are already installed. Got your ball links on here, guys. Everything on here is looking really, really good. Let's take these pieces out. And let's see, this is our horizontal stabilizer, or either our elevator, as you want to call it. And also, again, we're looking at our foam hinges, which was fine. You got your ball link clevises there, guys. Spar running through the wing. If we hold that up, you can actually see that running through there. It's really nice. Looks really, really good. Same with this one. The finish on this is awesome everywhere. We have our ventral fins. And as Rich Baker was telling us, guys, in his video, I'll be taking the paint off of these before we install them, just to make sure they stick well down in there. But yeah, those look really nice as well. We have our decal sheet, which, you know, this jet already has most of the decals on it, guys, as you can see. Nice pilot sitting down in there. But here you have some stars, and you can choose the number you want to put on it as well. That looks really nice. Here we have our vertical stabilizer and our rudder. Again, nice connectors, and also we'll be taking the paint off of this before we put it down in there. Turn this around. Look at this as well. Nice stickers. All of these linkages are already in place, guys. That's just a little piece of foam on there. So that's looking really nice. We have our nose cone, which is magnetized, and I believe that this I'm not sure if this piece comes off or not. I don't think so, but it is rubber actually, I believe. So you know, you ain't got to worry about snapping it off, so that's really nice. I'll stick that back down in there for now, but you can see the magnet in there, guys. All right, and then we have our bag of extra linkages, our bind plugs, and our 4 screws for our wings. We put these over here. Here we have our side rails for our missiles to go on, if I can get them out of here. They're kind of tight down in there, guys. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, it's really nice. And they will go on the outer side of the wing there. So yeah, those are really nice too. Again, guys, finish on this as expected from Horizon Hobby. Really nice. So now let's see if I can get this fuse out of here for you guys. All right, so give you a look at this, and we'll go ahead and stick the nose cone on here for you guys. This way, I believe. Yeah, that's right. So nice fit, guys. Pretty tight fit. That's good. Let's open the cockpit. Look down in here for you. All right. Now, I will also be doing the mod for the battery tray, adding an extra strap in here like Rich Baker was also talking about, because as I said, I have flown this plane, guys. It's actually my friend Brian's plane, and I flew this jet with a 4500 Admiral, and we had it all the way back up against here, and it did great. But yeah, I'll definitely be putting another strap in here, getting rid of the Velcro, putting down my padding in there, the shelf liner that we all like so much, and getting everything hooked up. I will also be doing the mod that Rich said, which is splitting the rudder and the nose wheel steering for my knob, so I can trim that as well. So yeah, all in all, guys, of course, as expected from Horizon and Eflite, this is a super nice looking jet, as we can see. Kind of shed a little more light in here for you guys. So yeah, and then let's see, this is our connector here, and I do believe, is there, no, I don't see, I noticed Rich was talking about connector that they've started putting on these. This one doesn't have it where it locks in and clamps on, so to the other servo, so that's just kind of odd. This one must be an older production. Another thing I really like is the plastic here, the hard points. That's really nice. Let's turn it over and give you a look-see at the bottom, guys. We have our gear. We have some cooling up in here. Also our nice aluminum gear and retracts, guys, as you can see all down in there. Our servos here. Yeah, man. So, and I'll give you a look up the back side there, guys. Looking really good. You can see the fan in there, nice fan. So that's pretty much, you know, what it is, guys. I mean, you know, I know a lot of people have done unboxings on these, so I just wanted to kind of throw something up kind of quick for you guys. Hopefully get this out maybe this evening. We're going to have Rich Baker on the show, and we'll be talking about this plane some, I'm sure. So stick around for that. And we'll be looking forward to that. Rich is awesome. Can't wait to be talking with him. So if you guys have any questions, think about what you want to ask him. This is going to look really good, guys. Check this out. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so guys, it's a quick unboxing. Don't want to keep you too long. Thank you for watching. If you saw something you like, guys, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps me out. Hit that thumbs up button and turn your notifications to all, guys, so that you know when we put out new videos. We'll see you tomorrow night, guys, on Flight Club, 8:30 Eastern, with Mr. Rich Baker. Be there. I'm Jeff, Jeff's Custom RC. See you soon.